The government of Manipur has constituted a high-level committee to investigate a drone attack by suspected Kuki militants in Koutruk, Imphal West. The attack, which occurred on September 1, resulted in the death of one civilian woman and injuries to several others, including 3 police personnel. According to an order issued by the Director General of Police, Manipur, the militants deployed numerous RPGs using advanced drones in an unprecedented assault. The newly formed committee is tasked with critically examining the drones used in the attack, collecting relevant evidence, and determining effective countermeasures. The 5-member committee is chaired by Ashutosh Kumar Sinha, IPS, Additional DGP Intelligence Manipur, and includes senior officials from the Army, Air Force, and paramilitary forces. The committee has been given the authority to cooperate technical members as needed. The committee has been asked to submit the report by September 13.